The organization of Ashura al-Islamiyya is working on a project named Salama. We are building a public hospital in the regions of the Somali people. This hospital will have many facilities such as emergency department, general practitioner, a mosque, food court, pharmacy, parking space, research center, and a farm. We are building this hospital because many of the Somali people are dying or suffering of illnesses that could possibly be cured, such as cancer, TB, gastritis, diabetic, blood pressure, and so on. Those of us who could afford to get treatment go to other countries near the Somali people's regions, for example, Ethiopia or Kenya. But have you ever asked yourself, what do the other people who cannot afford to go to those countries do? How did they get their treatment? How did they receive their medication? Who helps them? We, as Somalis, build many mosques in our country because you get good deeds whilst you're alive and when you're in your grave. But do you also know that building or creating anything that helps anyone, such as a hospital, you also get a good deed whilst you're alive and when you're in your grave? Allah says in His Quran, وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى, corrupt with one another in goodness and rightfulness. وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ, and do not corrupt in sin and transgression. Allah is saying, help one another, be there for each other. So if we stand together and create free hospital, free treatment, free medication, imagine how many lives we can save. Imagine how many jobs we can create. This is not just a hospital. This is creating love, hope, and togetherness. So we ask you to donate in order to have such public hospital.